Welcome to Benson Nature's Preschool. Today, we are splashing into the river to meet nature's amazing master builder.
Wow!
Look over there, friends. Did you see that cozy wooden dome? Open your eyes wide. Can you chew like a busy beaver? Nom nom nom. Oh, look! Daisy found a wooden clue. It's game time, little builders. Can you help us fit this paddle tail puzzle piece into the correct spot? Let's go!
You did it! Outstanding job!
Yay! That is our friendly beaver. It works super hard every single day cutting wood and building safe homes. Let's learn all about our hard-working friend's amazing life cycle. It all begins as tiny, cute, furry babies called kits. Beavers give birth to furry, soft babies called baby kits. They can swim in water on their very first day of life.
Wow, born ready to swim!
Look, it is getting bigger! Yes, Pepper, that is a yearling. It stays with its parents for 2 full years to learn how to build dams. When it is fully grown, it becomes a majestic adult. Ow! Can you find the floating letter A near the river reeds?
Once they become adults, they leave home to find a partner and create a brand new wetland habitat.
They are ready to start their own family.
An adult beaver can chop down a big tree using only its strong teeth. They grow up to 3 feet long and work non-stop.
The adult beaver is a primary ecosystem engineer, creating deep ponds that save and nurture countless other wetland animals.
Mini quiz time. Is a baby beaver called a kit or a cub? I know, it's a kit. Did you get it right at home, friends?
Now let's examine the beaver's amazing body features and superpowers. Look at these front teeth. They are bright orange because they are full of iron.
Look at its eyes underwater. Yes, the beaver has a transparent third eyelid, which is a superpower acting like swimming goggles.
The beaver possesses a magnificent paddle tail. It uses it as a rudder to steer smoothly while swimming and as a sturdy stool on land.
Their body structure has dense, oily double-layer fur that keeps them completely dry and warm in icy winter water. Wow, it's a built-in raincoat, correct. That's so cool.
They have a special split claw on their hind feet, used as a comb to spread waterproofing oil all over their body. Talk about self-care.
Their nostrils and ears have special valves that automatically close tight when they submerge, blocking out every single drop of water.
Where do beavers live? They live in freshwater streams across North America and Europe.
Yes, they love lakes, ponds, and slow rivers. Do they live in a high tree nest like a squirrel? No, Pepper. They build a secure wooden house called a lodge right in the water.
They cover their lodge with thick mud. When winter comes, the mud freezes hard like stone, keeping freezing storms and hungry wolves outside.
Time for another quick quiz. Is a beaver's house called a lodge or a cave? Shout it out. That's right, it's a lodge.
Let's explore what they eat. Because they only eat tree bark, wood, and aquatic plants, they are classified as herbivores. Beavers are family-oriented foragers. They gather food close to their pond, cutting only what they need for the family to avoid waste.
They stick fresh branches into the cold mud under the pond to create a winter food refrigerator. Smart beavers keep food fresh all winter. Beaver dams act like nature's giant water filters. They trap mud and clean the water, helping the whole stream ecosystem stay healthy and clean.
How do they talk? When danger is near, they slap their flat tails on the water with a loud smack. Wow, that tells everyone to hide. When they hear that big tail slap, all the beavers dive deep underwater and enter their secret lodge through an underwater door. So safe. The beaver family lives closely together in a peaceful community. Yes, parents and older kids cooperate. Beavers help humans a lot. Their beautiful ponds hold water during dry summers, preventing dangerous forest fires on Earth. By building wetlands, beavers create beautiful natural parks full of birds, frogs, and colorful flowers for everyone to enjoy.
Protecting our hard-working beavers means keeping our rivers alive, fresh, and beautiful. We must keep their freshwater homes trash-free.
River game time. Can you spot the giant letter B for builder beaver hiding in the willow tree? Look closely. There it is. Amazing job. You are a spectacular nature explorer. Now, let's get ready for our grand summary with all of our preschool friends. We learned so many wonderful builder facts today. Yes, indeed. Let's review everything our brilliant little engineers discovered. Get ready, friends. It's time to swim through your memory and remember all the awesome facts about our busy beaver friends.
Look here, Benson. This is the complete life cycle of the beaver.
Wow, Bonnie! They start as baby kits that can swim on day 1, live as yearlings for 2 years to learn building skills, and grow into adult engineers. To summarize their body features, beavers have iron-strong orange front teeth that never stop growing, and webbed hind feet for powerful swimming. And their incredible superpowers include a flat paddle tail used as a rudder and clear built-in eyelids that work like swimming.
Let us remember their habitat, Pepper. The busy beaver lives in freshwater streams, lakes, and marshes across North America and Europe.
That's right, Toby. They create their own deep ponds by building wooden dams, and they construct a cozy mud-plastered lodge to stay safe. When it comes to their eating habits, Bonnie, the hardworking beaver, is a pure herbivore that loves munching on delicious plants. Exactly, Daisy. They eat tree bark, twigs, and leaves, storing an underwater food cache for winter so they have plenty of energy without any waste. Their social behavior, Pepper. Beavers are very family-oriented and live closely in cozy groups where everyone helps repair the lodge.
Yes, Luna. They communicate by slapping their flat paddle tails hard on the water to warn the family to dive down into secret underwater doors.
Oh, wow, Pepper.
To conclude their connection to humans, Benson, these furry engineers filter our river water clean and prevent dangerous summer forest fires. By creating rich wetlands for birds and fish, they make our Earth beautiful, reminding us to keep our freshwater rivers clean and well protected.
If you loved exploring nature's master builders with us, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe to Benson Nature's Preschool for more fun. All characters. Thank you so much for watching and playing along with us today. See you next time. Goodbye. Do the Benson Shake. Shake, shake. Wiggle and giggle for goodness sake. Do the Benson Shake. Jump, jump, jump. Wag your tail. Thump, thump, thump. Now freeze. 1, 2, 3. Everybody shake with me.